when you use white ink, it can be used very creatively. So we've got a file here. It doesn't really look very much at the moment, and that's because we're printing onto white paper. I'm actually going to change this to an uncoated paper, and I'm going to change the color down to like a black. So what we have here, let's just turn off everything else because there isn't actually any CMYK at all. We have a white ink. So black paper, white ink. So we can simulate white ink on the screen. And the foil, maybe let's just put that to gold foil. So now we've got white toner or white ink printed onto black paper, and then with a foil, let's just do that foil as foil stamping. So we've got like a little emboss kind of effect to it. So now we've got our design. Really, really simple and easy way to do it. So you can create these separations in Photoshop, create your white plate. Now you can't see white on your computer screen properly because white, if you set it to overprint or multiply, it goes transparent. So most people call it like a blue color. In fact, if you look at any of the major press manufacturers like Ricoh, etc., they all recommend to name your white as white, but color it cyan. So anyway, in here you can see that. So we can then turn all this off. Let's just do another example. If we put that to gloss coated paper, obviously we've got white on a gloss coated paper. We can also do it on a clear. So at the moment we've got it on clear. Let's just put that to the indoor so we can actually see it better. So you can see how that white ink on a clear film. So there's a whole range of things you can do with these tools. Really simple, really easy to use. Let your imagination run wild, and that's the whole point of this tool. Is if you can visualize it and you can get these ideas, you can play around with this. You don't have to make proofs all the time. You don't have to waste, that iterative step of sending a PDF across to your printer. They run out of proof, which can be exceptionally expensive. I mean, can you imagine trying to do a proof with foil stamping? The run length for a foil stamping effect would be astronomical. Most people wouldn't do it. Printing white onto a clear film. You could stick this maybe in a window display, have a clear window cling, and then foil stamp onto it over the top, print white ink. You could do a whole range of different things, but how would you know what it's going to look like unless you can visualize it? When you've got the file right, then you can send it off to print. So there we go. This is how you use the Visualis3R software with white on different types of material.